Inspire Institute of Technologies Pakistan is offering you Basic IT Course, MS Office. Microsoft Office is the most commonly used software in the world. More than 1.2 billion people across 140 countries and 107 languages use MS Office. No matter how talented you are or an expert in any field, if you have the knowledge to play with MS Office, then your life is much easy. Yes, this skill is mandatory for every student professional. Either you have to create your resume, presentation, planning on a project, to manage inventory, to play with formulae and number, or etc. The more you know about MS Office, the better ease you get. Course content: MS Windows, Computer Basics, MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint. MS Excel Course Outline. Organizing data, analyzing data, use subtotals, advanced filters function, group and outline data, use data validation, create and modify list ranges, add, show, close, edit, merge and summarize scenarios, perform data analysis using automated tools, create pivot table reports, create pivot chart reports, use database functions, trace formula precedents, dependents, and errors, locate invalid data and formulas, watch and evaluate formulas, create different formula, define, modify and use named ranges, structure workbooks using XML. Microsoft Word Course Outline. Content formatting, creation of custom styles for text, tables and lists, pagination, format, position and resize graphics using advanced layout features. Insert objects, modify objects, create and modify diagrams and charts using data from other sources, sort content in lists and tables, implement calculations in tables, table modification W.R.T formats, use automated tools for document summarization, document navigation using automated tools, merge letters with other data sources, merge labels with other data sources, collaborating formatting documents. MS PowerPoint Course Outline. Creating content, create new presentations from templates, selecting different backgrounds, insert and edit text-based content, insert tables, charts and diagrams, insert pictures, shapes, and graphics, insert objects, format content, formatting text-based content, format pictures, format shapes, format graphics, format slides, apply animation schemes, apply slide transitions, customize slide templates, track, accept and reject changes in a presentation, add, edit and delete comments. Admission open. For registration call us on 92-321-505-6755 or WhatsApp us on 92-331-5999937. Visit our website www.iitpakistan.com.pk or mail us at info@iitpakistan.com.pk. Make sure to subscribe us on YouTube and follow our Facebook page for more details about other qualifications.